Good morning, 5th class children. Now I am going to tell you about new lesson, our constitution. Let us pay homage to our great national leaders by remembering them. Try to identify these famous personalities: Balagangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay children, Balagangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. Look here children, identify these national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day. When and where are they celebrated every year? Independence Day celebrated every year in August 15th, and Republic Day celebrated in every year January 26th. Red Fort, New Delhi. Who hoists our national flag on these days? President. How are the two national festivals different from each other? The achieved independence from British Raj on 15th August 1947 following the Indian independence movement. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates the coming into force of its constitution. Next, see here children, this is a assembly. What is meant by republic? How did the independence India become a republic? Before India came under British rule, it was a gathering of princely states which had their own law to rule. When the British came into power, they ruled colonial India with a set of rules and a structure of the government that was similar to their own but without people's participation. After the prolonged struggle and negotiations means discuss aimed at reaching an agreement. After the prolonged struggle and negotiations, a constituent assembly was formed as a forerunner of independence with members representing different regions and religions. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of this constituent assembly. Okay children, who was the first prime minister of India after independence? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first prime minister of India after independence? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first president after independence? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next, India attained freedom on 15th August 1947. And this Constituent Assembly took the governance of India from the British. Many independent princely states joined the Indian Union due to the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Identify this picture children. Great freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. India attained freedom on 15th August 1947. See here children, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In view of the exciting diverse conditions, a new code and a new institutional framework was inevitable to form our own new government. The Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee to prepare a constitution for India. This committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of India Constitution, drafted the Constitution of India, defining the nature, structure and functions of the new government, the values on which our new nation would be built on were incorporated in it. This is brought out in the preamble, which is considered as the introduction to the Constitution. Children, when did we get Independence Day? Independence Day, August 15th, 1947. Who was the architect of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the head of the drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the head of the drafting committee, children? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. See here, children, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expressions, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Okay, children, once again read this. We, the people of India, having a solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expressions, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all. Next, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Okay, children, read this paragraph at home. Okay, children, today's home task, read 23-page course book, this paragraph only. Okay, children, look here, children. Identify this picture. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted the new constitution on 26th November in 1949. It finally came into force on 26th January 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was sworn in as the President, the first constitutional head of the Indian Republic. This was the day when India became a republic and started its self-rule, empowering the people to elect the head of our country. Since then, this day is being celebrated as the Republic Day of India every year. When was celebrated Republic Day, children, every year? January 26th. Okay, children, who was first Prime Minister after independence? Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, children. Next, first president after independence? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay children, thank you. I will meet in the next class. See here children, do you know the Government of India declared 26th November as the Constitution Day. November 26th Constitution Day. January 26th Republic Day. August 15th Independence Day.